So this is about comparing two things that are not alike using specific words like as or like or is or were. So is it a simile or a metaphor? So when it's a metaphor, we use these words: is, was or were, and a metaphor is what it is. And when it's a simile, we use these words like or as you like it. Let's have a look at some examples. As pretty as a picture. You are the sun. He had skin like. Slippery as a. So here we have life is like a box of chocolates and life was a box of chocolates. As tall as a. The tree was a silver sword. The ivy seemed to swallow it whole. He was as big as a house. So let's recap to help us remember. All the world's a stage. Now this is a metaphor because it says it is what it is. It is a metaphor. As busy as a bee. So this is a simile and it's as you like it. It's as or like. It's like a simile. She looked like an angel. She was an angel. So let's spice it up and add more complex descriptive language. Eyes like a hare's that looked sideways for danger. His eyes were colourful pools of deep shiny water. His sweet candy floss words poisoned her taste. Her lips were like sweet spiky strawberries from a forbidden island where death is the reward.